Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself with your smartphone. It's very easy and simple. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, please. Please, I beg you. And press on the notification button so that I can get notification whenever I post a new video. Because I have a lot to tell you here. So please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, I'm going to show you how I edit, how I clone myself with my smartphone. I got this app called KineMaster. So you have to select empty project, then you import the video that you want to make use of. Here is the video. Then I have to trim it so that I will get what I want. Here from here to here. Here. I have to cut it here. Make sure you select the scissors. So cutting to do, and then I remove this one. Click here. So here. So let's just raise the thing. No one how big thing will be bigger. Understand? So this night has something on. Understand? So in this video, I just play that we are two, but you see me. Let's check this one out. Oh, let's go to the particular place where let me cut it here. This one front. So let's just okay, I've cut it again. No, cut it front left. Take it here. So cut it here again. Now let's check it out. Then you have to zoom it. Make sure. Then here it's a screen. Please screen. I have to turn it to lessons 16. So what I need to do. If you it again, I have to take this thing because of the shadow. Take it here. Let's play it again. So guy, this is really good. This is very okay. And remember, you have to make sure that while recording your video, you have to make sure that your light is very okay, and make sure that you don't touch it. Make sure that you are very far from it, so that so that you won't miss any this thing. So let's check it again. So, let's just raising the team, no one how big deal this is. Understand? So this is like something else. So guys, that is it. Let's export it. Here's the video. Export it. So, let's just raising the team, no one how big deal this is. Understand? So this is like something else. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching.